Hello, my lovelies. If I told you there was something in your local grocery store that would better heart health, weight management, blood sugar control, antioxidant properties, bone health, improved digestion, reduced inflammation, skin health and hormonal balance, and cost less than a carcinogenic processed burger from McDevil's, would you watch to the end? Today we're diving into a tiny but mighty superfood, flax seeds. Quick challenge. If I can get you to add flax seeds to your daily diet by the end of this video, you have to hit that subscribe button. They're packed with essential nutrients that can boost your health in ways you never expected. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive deep into the wonderful world of flax seeds. All right, let's talk about your ticker. Your heart is an incredible organ, tirelessly working to keep you alive and well. Your heart works hard for you 24/7, pumping blood to every part of your body without a break. It's like a superhero, pumping blood like a boss, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach your cells. Flax seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, those heart-healthy fats that everyone's raving about. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition. These good fats help lower bad cholesterol levels, which is a major win for your heart. Lower cholesterol means less risk of heart disease. Think of it like this. Flax seeds are like little scrub brushes for your arteries, keeping them clean and clear of gunk. They help prevent blockages that can lead to serious heart issues. Flax seeds are also a good source of fiber, which helps regulate blood pressure, keeping it in a healthy range. High blood pressure is a silent killer, so maintaining it is crucial. But wait, there's more. Flax seeds contain lignans, plant compounds that act like antioxidants in your body. These antioxidants help fight off harmful free radicals. By adding flax seeds to your diet, you're giving your heart a triple dose of love, lowering cholesterol, regulating blood pressure, and providing powerful antioxidants. So sprinkle some flax seeds on your meals, blend them into your smoothies, or just munch on them as a snack. Your heart will thank you for it, and you'll feel the difference. Let's be real, we've all been there, staring longingly at a plate of cookies, wishing we could indulge without the guilt trip. Well, guess what? Flax seeds are here to help you conquer those cravings and rock that revenge body you've been dreaming of. Fiber helps you feel fuller for longer, which means you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks between meals. So, when you eat flax seeds, you're basically telling your brain, hey, I'm good. No need for that extra slice of pizza. And because flax seeds are so nutrient-dense, they provide a ton of nutrition in a small package. If you're looking to shed a few pounds or just maintain a healthy weight, flax seeds are your new best friend. All right, let's talk about blood sugar. Keeping your blood sugar levels stable is crucial for your overall health and well-being. And guess what? Flax seeds can help. Those magical little seeds are here to keep your blood sugar from going on a roller coaster ride. The fiber in flax seeds helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. This means you won't experience those sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar that can leave you feeling tired and hangry. Lignans have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar levels. Okay, let's talk antioxidants. You know, those amazing compounds that fight off free radicals, those nasty little troublemakers that can damage your cells and lead to all sorts of health problems. And guess what? Flax seeds are packed with these powerful antioxidants ready to fight for your health. One of the most potent antioxidants found in flax seeds is called lignan. We've already talked about its blood sugar regulating superpowers, but lignans are also known for their ability to protect against certain types of cancer. Flax seeds are also a good source of vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. By adding flax seeds to your diet, you're basically building an army of antioxidants to protect your body from the inside out. We all know that calcium is essential for strong bones. From childhood, we're taught to drink milk and consume dairy products to ensure we get enough calcium. But what if I told you there's more to bone health than just calcium? But did you know that flax seeds can also play a role in bone health? These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients that can help support and strengthen your bones in ways you might not expect. That's right, those tiny seeds are at it again, proving that big things come in small packages. Flax seeds are not just for adding a crunch to your meals. They are a powerhouse of essential nutrients. While flax seeds aren't a significant source of calcium themselves, they contain other nutrients that are crucial for bone health, like magnesium and phosphorus. These minerals work together to keep your bones strong and healthy. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a vital role in bone formation and calcium absorption. It helps convert vitamin D into its active form, which in turn aids in calcium absorption. Without enough magnesium, your body can't utilize calcium effectively, which can weaken your bones over time. This is why it's important to include magnesium-rich foods in your diet. Phosphorus is another essential mineral for bone health, working in tandem with calcium to build and maintain strong bones. It's found in every cell of the body and is vital for energy production and storage. Lignans have been shown to help prevent bone loss, especially in postmenopausal women who are at a higher risk for osteoporosis. Including flax seeds in your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your bone health. Let's be real. Nobody likes to talk about digestion, but it's an essential part of our overall health and well-being. And guess what? Flax seeds are here to be your gut's new best friend. Those tiny seeds are packed with fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which act like a dynamic duo in keeping your digestive system happy and healthy. Soluble fiber is like a gentle sweep through your intestines, absorbing water and forming a gel-like substance that helps bulk up your stool and keep things moving along smoothly. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, is like a scrub brush for your intestines, adding bulk to your stool and helping it pass through your digestive system more easily. Flax seeds also contain prebiotics, which act like food for the good bacteria in your gut. Inflammation. It's a word we hear a lot these days. But what exactly is it? In a nutshell, inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection. It's like your body's internal alarm system, signaling your immune system to send in the troops to fight off harmful invaders or heal damaged tissue. But sometimes inflammation can become chronic, meaning it sticks around even when it's not needed. This can happen due to various factors like stress, poor diet, or an overactive immune system. This chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on your body, contributing to a wide range of health problems, from heart disease and cancer to arthritis and Alzheimer's disease. It's like a fire that never goes out, slowly damaging your tissues and organs over time. But don't worry, flax seeds are here to help. These tiny seeds might look unassuming, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to fighting inflammation. Those tiny seeds are packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that can help calm the storm brewing inside your body. You can easily add them to your diet by sprinkling them on salads, blending them into smoothies, or even baking them into your favorite recipes. One of the key anti-inflammatory compounds found in flax seeds is alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that's been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body. ALA works by interfering with the inflammatory process, helping to keep your body's response in check. Flax seeds also contain lignans, those powerful plant compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds not only help reduce inflammation, but also provide a host of other health benefits, making flax seeds a true superfood for your body. We all want that healthy, radiant glow, right? But let's be real, achieving flawless skin isn't just about what you put on your face, it starts from within. And guess what? Flax seeds are here to give you that lit-from-within glow. Those tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin cell membranes. Omega-3s help keep these bouncers strong and flexible, ensuring that your skin cells can retain moisture and stay hydrated. Flax seeds are also a good source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are like little vandals, spray painting graffiti all over your cells and causing premature aging. Lignans can help reduce redness and inflammation associated with skin conditions like acne and eczema. Hormones, those chemical messengers that control everything from our mood and sleep to our metabolism and reproductive health. When our hormones are in balance, we feel like we can conquer the world. But when they're out of whack, it can feel like our bodies are working against us. But don't worry, flax seeds are here to help restore hormonal harmony. Those tiny seeds contain lignans, plant compounds that have estrogen-like effects in the body. Lignans can either mimic or block the effects of estrogen, depending on what your body needs. Flax seeds are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for hormone production and balance. So there you have it, folks. We've covered a ton of ground today, from heart health and weight management to skin health and hormone balance. Whether you add them to smoothies, salads, or baked goods, you'll want to start eating them every day after watching this. Remember, these tiny seeds pack a powerful punch, providing a wide range of health benefits that can transform your life from the inside out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're ready to add flax seeds to your daily diet. I'm watching you. I'm watching.